This conference will now be recorded.
Finance 24th. So yesterday we learned about foreign currency valuation for AP, and as I told you, okay, someone is asking the link. Sorry, same link. Okay, so in AP, AR, and cash and bank, almost the same. There is no difference. So it is a same function. But whereas in general ledger, it is little bit different. In general ledger, foreign currency revaluation, it is little bit different. Let us understand about foreign currency revaluation in general ledger. In general ledger, foreign currency revaluation. Okay, fine. So let me create one transaction and let me show you. So let me go to chart of accounts. So this may not be used in India kind of countries, or very rarely, but whereas in Europe countries, this may be required a lot for them. Okay, so let me show you. So you may not use much in India. You may not use much in India, or in apart from Europe countries, the utilization of GL foreign currency revaluation is little bit less. Okay, little bit less. So here I'm going to main accounts. Take the example like I will take one liability account. I'm just taking the perfect example like 201110 commission payables. Commission payables. I'm taking this account. It is foreign currency revaluation enabled. The checkbox is enabled. So you can click edit and foreign currency revaluation checkbox should be enabled. This is a liability 21110. Okay. Now I'm doing a transaction, general ledger, journal entries. I'm clicking new. General journal, lines. So here 20110. Suppose 1000 GBP, it is provision entry I'm posting. This is a provisional entry. Commission payable. Provisional entries are payable entries. Commission payable means I need to pay this 1000 US dollar GBP in the next month. In the next month, I need to pay GBP. I need to pay. So let me take the same example, like 15th May or 12th May. Okay, no problem. So let me select commissions first. First, I need to explain you about some explanation. Commission expenses, 1000 debit, and here 201110. Let me select GBP. Is it capturing or not? Otherwise, I will delete and I will recreate. It is not capturing automatically. Give me a second. First, I will explain you this entry. This is accountants, they will take care, but it is related to little bit commerce link. Commission expenses, 1000. Next, commission payable, this is I'm changing into GBP. Okay, exchange rate is not found. Let's just set up. I think we have posted this exchange rate on 15th only. Before that, we have not entered anything. That is the reason system is throwing error message. Look at this one. Let us understand the message, what it is referring. What it is telling, like an exchange rate cannot be found for the exchange rate type between these two on this date. Exchange rate. So if you go to exchange rates, we have entered 15th May 2021. So whenever you are entering, it is better to enter one transaction with 001. The first line, try to enter with 001 2001 long back, so that it will capture that one. Now 15th May onwards only the exchange rate is there. That is the reason its system is throwing error message. Now what I'm doing, I will enter 15th May. Otherwise you need to enter the date. No issues. I don't want that one. Now I have entered. Okay, so look at this one. What is this transaction? I need to pay commission, some commissions, or suppose if I'm importing material or exporting material, something I need to pay commissions. This is 1000 GBP I need to pay. So this is what I'm doing. I'm paying expenses. Actually, next month I need to pay. So we can do provisional entries. And accountants, they will do provisional entries or payable entries. What is this means? What is this means? In accountants, if you are joining as an accountant, this will be this is a regular task to you a lot. If you are an accountant, okay. If you are a finance consultant, this is very less opportunity you are going to do this one. But let us understand what accountants they will do. What accountants they will do. Take the example rent amount or electricity amount. This one for the month of April 2021, this will be paid on 5th of May. Agree with me? Next month we will pay. Last month whatever I have used electricity, that I will pay around 5th, like I will receive 5th or 6th, and I will pay 8th or 9th of every month. Agree with me, everyone? Yes or not? So we will actually, this is the rent amount or electricity amount. These are expenses. These are expenses should be included in the previous month, but we are posting on this month, on the next month. Then my profit and loss account statement is going wrong. So for this, in general, what accountants they will do, they will enter provisional entries or payable entries. That is, they will enter electricity expenses or rent expenses, account data to rent payable account. So they have not paid, but they are posting expenses on 31st, 30th June, sorry, 30th of April. Last month, previous month transaction they will enter. Whenever they are doing payment at that time, this is 6 series expenses. This is liability account 2 series. Liability account 2 series. Now, whenever you are doing real payment, then this rent payable account data to 2 series and cash or bank. This will be executed on 5th of May. This is called provisional entries or payable entries. Actual entry should be this one and this one only. First and fourth. But on 30th, we are showing actually this on 5th of May, you need to enter this entry and this entry. First May. But on 30th, last day of the month, I will enter like this. And this 2 series debit and credit is nullifying. So I'm showing the expenses in the previous month so that my profit and loss account statement will show properly. And here I'm booking expenses against payable later. Understood? Any doubt in this? Of course, this is more about accountants, not for you, but if you understand, that will be good. This is one of the accounts function, commerce or accounts. Accountants, they will do a lot.
Hi,
Yeah.
Satya. Is this the same step used if we are doing a payment for 6 months advance or probably 3 months in advance, so that we can book the first two entries on a monthly basis? So the month on month the expense is booked. On the day we do the payment is what only the last entry comes.
No, it is not advanced one. That is advances, advance received or advance paid. Huh?
Advance, like in this case, we are paying the rent in like every quarterly I pay him. So I pay every quarterly the rent to the landlord.
Okay.
So I have to book the expenses on that respective month instead of before.
That is allocation accrual schemes available. I will explain you later. Accrual schemes. That is different function.
That's
Because
okay.
you are taking multiple months in that. You are considering multiple months. But here 1 month only for single month. I need to pay on, actually, like I need to pay on 30th of every month, even salaries also. So we are getting salaries, being in IT industry, we are getting salaries on last day of the month, every month. But in reality, suppose if it is some companies, they will pay on 2nd or 3rd of every month salaries, or 5th of every month. Then the previous month they need to show this salaries expenses. So then they will enter like this. It is expenses and they have not paid here. The cash is not deducted here because I have not paid. I'm showing like payable account, that is called provisional entries or payable entries. Okay, this is accountants, they will do it. So here we are telling like I will do payment. Payable, I will do payable. Payable means I will do a payment in the next month. So now I have like paid here. It is deducting this value becomes 0 because here it was posted credit, here it was posted debit. The net effect is 0. Then this is posted single transaction the previous month, and this is actual expenditure in this month. Understood to everyone? Any doubt, any confusion? So now the same transaction I am posting here. Sorry. Commission I am posting expenses on 15th May or 30th May, whatever it may be. 30th May I'm posting. Okay, 30th May. I need to pay 1000 GBP. 1000 GBP I need to pay. So I'm putting provisional entry. So commissions provisions. It is expenses account data to expenses account data to payable account credit. Payable account credit.
Satya,
Okay.
can I schedule this entry on the every month end basis?
Yes, that is possible. That is periodic journal. That is available. That is called periodic journal.
Okay.
We'll discuss that one later. Periodic journal. Okay, accrual schemes is different. Periodic journal is different. Allocation rules. Ledger allocation rules is another function. In coming classes, you are going to learn all these things. That is different functions. Okay, now because I need to pay 1000 dollars, 1000 GBP to one of some expenses. So I have not paid. I'm going to pay next month, but now I'm booking that expenses because I need to show it should be affect in the P&L because I did some activities. I have taken some service kind of thing, and I need to pay this month only. So I'm posting this one. Okay, I'm posting. Click post. So the expenses are posted. like it was $1,000 it was posted, 1000 GBP. Okay, I have not paid on today. Next month 5th I am paying. So 5th of June, actually I need to pay to commissions, but I have already posted commissions payable, so I need to post that one in this commission payable account, 1000 GBP. So I'm doing cash or bank, whatever it may be. For time being I'm selecting cash. Something bank also it is fine, like otherwise you need to select a bank. Usually we'll select bank and USMF operations instead of operations euro. You know this one, euro bank. This euro bank is paying 1000 GBP, 1000 GBP. Okay. 1000 for this 1000 GBP I need to pay, so I'm paying 1000 GBP. Some bank reference number also, if you have payment reference number you can enter, because it is a bank. Some payment reference number. I'm paying, so I need to pay 1000 for this 20110. I'm paying.
Satya, how do we generate check in case of a ledger account on the account side? Can we?
Yes, it is possible. You need to enable the checkbox. One checkbox in cash and bank management. You need to enable the checkbox. I will show you. If you want to generate a check for the ledger account, you need to go to cash and bank management, parameters. Here, allow checks for bank or ledger check accounts. Okay, then it will allow you. Fine. Let me focus on this current. Now, for one, like here, 200201110 1110, it is 1000 GBP I have posted. And here also it is same. Right. But if you observe, if you go voucher, look at this one, 1000 GBP. Now it is 1250. Earlier it is 1200. I will show one more transaction, but first let me show you the, here if you go lines, it is 1200 US dollars. The exchange rate is different. $1000 GBP means I need to pay you go inside voucher, okay, if you look at this one, 1000 GBP means 1200 US dollars. Am I right? Because exchange rate is on 15th to 31st, it is 1.2. From 31st May onwards, it is 1.25. So the difference will be posted as foreign currency revaluation. Now, if you verify this account, the main account 2011111110, let me go to general ledger, main accounts. So 201110. If you go to account statement, otherwise you can see directly. This is a little bit tricky. I mean to say report only, but simplest way I will show you, like inquiries and reports from trial balance we can see quickly. Both are same. You can generate from the report also, or you can do from here also. It will be a little bit flexible to open the transactions. So I'm filtering by this account 201110. If you click on transactions, look at this one. So 1200 and this one is 1250. Forget about the old transactions, this one, but these two transactions we have posted. But in terms of accounting currency and reporting currency, it is 1200, it is 1250. This should be nullified, am I right? This is 1000 GBP, 1000 GBP, but reporting currency is different. Understood? Accounting currency and reporting currency. Accounting currency value is still there is a difference, but for 1000 GBP I have paid 1000 GBP. Understood? It is 1000 GBP, 1000 GBP I paid, but there is a difference. There is a difference. So if it is not there, this is not there, then it will be very much clear for you. Okay, fine. Now this 250, leave it. 250. If you look at this one, it is closing balance. It is showing 200. Okay, but it is if you look at all the transactions, closing balance 200 plus 50, 250 only. Agree with me? This is if it is nullified with plus and minus, the closing balance should be 250. Am I right? This is US dollars. Are you able to follow me? Yes or no? At least you are able to hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can.
So this is US dollars 250 earlier balance. Now for 1000 I have paid 1000. So the balance should be 250 only. Agree with me? but it is showing 200. So for this, I need to run foreign currency revaluation for this account. For this account, I need to execute foreign currency revaluation. So we need to go to general ledger foreign currency revaluation. General ledger foreign currency revaluation, periodic tasks, foreign currency revaluation.
But Satya, why this is a manual task every time? If suppose somebody didn't run this exercise of the periodic task, then definitely there will be a difference.
Yes, it is. We need to run this one because even for AP and AR, this is a periodic task. That's what we are doing, right? Periodic task.
Okay.
So this is one of the periodic tasks you need to execute. Month end, you need to execute all these things. So currency revaluation for GBP. I'm selecting for GBP. We'll discuss that point, why it is required. Okay. So filter, if you want, because you can do execute for all or you can do for one specific. I'm doing for one specific for understanding purpose. 20110. Okay, this is not a manual task. If you want, it is a periodic task. Okay, if you want to see preview before posting, you can click preview and you can click OK. And in 10.0.13 I have some bugs. I know if it is showing or not, I don't know. If it is not showing, please excuse me. Sometimes it will not show because this is a bug. Preview bug is there. I'm sure it will show you in real-time scenario. It will show you, but let me execute directly. Preview, it is not showing. This is a bug which I know. Okay, but I'm selecting directly posting. Posting it will work. Only preview problem. Okay, so I'm executing for this one and click OK. I'm executing a transaction. It will be posted. Posting, there is no issue. Only preview, it is not displaying as I remember earlier. Okay, it was posted. But if you go to the voucher transactions, it will be that plus minus 50 will be updated. One set of transaction is for accounting currency, one set of transaction for reporting currency. 4. Now if you verify the trial balance, it will show you the closing balance 250. See. So if you look at the transactions, this 50 transaction will be added because this is foreign currency revaluation. Usually, if we are in India, we will do transactions in INR only. All expenses will be incurred in INR only, 90%. But anytime it is very, very rare in India, we will do expenses in other than Indian currency. Agree with me? The expenses booking majority times in India, it is INR only. But in Europe countries, they will do, suppose in Switzerland, they have their Swiss crowns. They may do in other currencies also a lot. Even it is in Gulf countries. In Gulf countries also, if I'm in a, because when I'm working in Dubai, when I'm traveling from Dubai to Oman and Oman to Dubai, in the border areas, they are giving me some currency, Dubai currency, some currencies, Oman currency, AED and Oman Riyal. So if I'm giving suppose 2 riyals or 1 riyal, they are giving change in differently. Dirhams and because they are mixing currencies. So I'm telling you here, In the same manner, if you are doing any expenses other than your accounting currency, at that time, if you are doing some payable accounts kind of thing, this kind of thing, this will come into the picture. Suppose I have not paid. Suppose I have not paid this one, then only one transaction will be posted first. Next, same yesterday, like the way how you are doing, the same process will be processed. The same. Let me do one transaction, one more transaction, and let me show you. Suppose rather than this one, I will take another example so that you can understand easily. I will verify there is no transaction which is not exist. That account I will take. Let me verify which account I don't have any like expenses. 201110 it was entered. 201111 1120 is not exist. Let me do one transaction for another account. So periodic job, it is a periodic job you need to execute. This is must. Let me go to lines. Suppose same some commission expenses. I need to pay. This is on last month. Suppose 24th May, 1000 GBP. So now the account I will take 201120 something account. Okay, for understanding purpose, I'm taking this account because for this account we don't have any transaction GBP. Okay, I'm posting now. This is payable account. I'm posting. Now, if you verify 201120 account will be shown. Now this account, one second, give me a second. This account 201120, if you verify the transactions, it is 1000 GBP. However, the exchange rate is it is on verify. It is 1000 GBP I need to pay. That means, okay, leave it for other transactions. Okay, these are last year, I mean to say 2017 transactions. So it is 1000 GBP means $1,200 I need to pay. Now, if I run this foreign currency revaluation, May 1st to May 31st I'm executing. May 31st I'm executing. The date of rate is 31st May. Okay, now I'm selecting GBP. Okay, I'm not using preview. Actually, it should show preview, but it is not showing. As I told you, this is a bug. At the time of 10.0.13, there is a bug. Later, it was rectified. Okay, no issues. I'm proceeding with 201120. So I'm clicking OK. You can select all or you can select GBP. Because we are doing for GBP, click OK. Now that $50 will be posted. This one, this is the transaction. If you verify that $50 it was posted, because if it is crossed 31st May, I need to pay $12.50. Agree with me? I need to pay $12.50. So that is the reason. If you refresh, it will show you 1200 plus 50. $1250. Okay, these transactions. If you verify the closing balance directly, it will show you 1250. One is for accounting currency, one is for reporting currency. Look at this one. Because at the time of transaction it is 1200, but now at the time of on 31st May. Now if you execute for foreign currency revaluation for June month, for the month of June 1st to June 30th, because I have not paid this amount. Now same, I'm selecting GBP. Select. I'm clicking OK. Now for this also there is a voucher transaction, like $10.10. The difference it is posted, because earlier it is 50, now it is 10. See, the logic, as I told you, yesterday logic is different and today logic is different. Remember, $12.40. Now the logic is different. The difference is posting. Understood? It is $12.40. Now if you verify the trial balance, it will be $12.40 I need to pay. Any confusion? So in AP and AR, it is actually 50 will be reversed and 40 will be posted. Whereas here it will be posted like for this transactions only. I mean to say the difference only it will be posted. Completely logic is different from GL to AP and AR. Understood? Any confusion here? Until and unless payment is not done, it will be continuous. It will be there. These transactions will be keep on posting. Because the setup it is different. Here, whenever you are running foreign currency revaluation, it is the logic is different. We don't have to select invoice date. That concept is not there to reverse that one. But whereas in AP and AR, we have that one. Here it is different. So once it is payment is done, if you run this foreign currency revaluation, that will be closed. Yeah, please now. So one person is asked about like why we need to run this every time. Periodic processes should be executed every month end. Periodic job. In these periodic jobs, one is like this foreign currency revaluations. Second one is inventory closing. Like there are multiples. These are month end jobs. If you have not executed, no issues, system will not stop you. This is your responsibility to get exact profit and loss account statement. If you want to verify the profit and loss account properly, foreign currency revaluation for AP, AR, GL, and if required, cash and bank. Cash and bank may not be or maybe. So if you have any transactions, foreign transactions, you need to execute these jobs. And inventory closing, it is your responsibility. Next, any invoices pending and any payable entries, which I told you here, provisional entries are payable entries. Suppose rent amount, anyhow I am paying rent amount in the month of next, then I will do posting in the next month only. Yeah, you can do it, but profit will be going wrong. This is accountant's responsibility. Accountant's responsibility, payable entries, all pending transactions. Should be completed. If you have not done, then if you are generating report, your statement is wrong. That is not actual. And next one is depreciation postings. All these things you need to execute at the month end. Then only income statement or profit account statement will be shown properly. Otherwise, it will not show properly. Understood?
How can we identify like that these out of these periodic batches, which is not run at the month end? Can we identify from the transactions?
Come again, your question. Sorry, I missed.
Okay. Like, okay, I understand that these are the periodic activities which we need to run at every month end, right?
Yes.
Now, suppose if a person forget to run this invoice pending or inventory closing, how can we identify that, okay, these batches haven't been run for this month?
So you can see this is you are doing manual mistakes. You are doing manual mistakes. Actually, it will be shown, am I right? If you go inside, it is showing the running process. Like here, it is showing the date is execution. If you are skipping, system cannot pick your manual mistakes. negligence system will not capture. Negligence people, because when I'm working in one of the company in long back, around 18 years back, one of senior persons, senior management team asking like these guys are modifying or something like invoices. They are doing invoice for first one, they are doing invoice, second one they are skipping, third one they are doing, actually that is local ERP, it is not this global ERP, local ERP. They are skipping like order and invoice number both are same, they are skipping second, third, and they are doing fourth one. Can you stop that one? Because the person whoever is working, he is doing manipulations. Can you control that one? So like he is doing mistakes because that guy is your close friend or relative, and you want a control on that human being, which is practically impossible. Manual mistakes cannot be stopped. If you are doing something, it should not be go in a wrong direction, that is fine. If you are not doing anything, system cannot stop. System cannot give instructions to the human being, do it this one, do it this one. Frankly, I'm speaking, I know like some top management people, they will ask like, I want to arrest these things. No, it is not possible. Human mistakes cannot be stopped by the system. That is the reason nowadays automation is coming a lot to minimize the human mistakes. Robotic machine learning and machine language and robotic, it is coming a lot. What I heard from news, like some around maybe around 30 lakhs jobs are going out for not for normal IT, like small people, data entry people, something are helping BPO kind of roles, they are going to be like removed in coming maybe one and a half year or 2 years because of this robotic help. If human mistakes cannot be stopped, if human is not doing anything, cannot instruct, system cannot instruct to do it. Okay. Fine. Anything else, anyone, please?
Because Satya, why I asked this question is like when we were working on the AX initial versions, then definitely there are certain reports there was an inventory valuation report which shows that okay, for this what is your cost posted to GL and all those things. From there
Yeah,
you can identify that okay, you haven't run this report.
So in older versions also, in old versions also, we need to execute inventory.
No,
inventory.
I understand that we have to, but there are possibilities, like suppose if I have missed out something, then there are inventory valuation reports and other reports where we can definitely identify from the report itself that okay, this report is not this product activity is not run till date.
I don't think so. In older version also, we don't have like that kind of report. I don't think so. It is not executed. System will not give you alert kind of thing like you have not executed. I don't think so. In old versions also, it is actually cost price will be updated, but the wrong cost price. Anyhow, maybe after 1.5 weeks, I'm going to show you inventory closing process that is part of T&L, but I'm going to show you for finance team as well. I mean, it's a combination of finance and T&L. So inventory closing is activity whether you have executed or not. System will not verify with the human being. Human being need to verify with the system. All periodic jobs. But even in the old version also, system will not give you any alert if you have not done. But we can have option to do this one as a bad job. If people are neglecting, we have bad jobs. For anything, we can run this process as a bad job. System will do it automatically. This one, all these periodic jobs, you can execute as a bad job. If you enable this bad job, if you alert, if you give recurrences, automatically on that day, specific day, system will do it. You need not to worry. Make sense? Not only this one, all like all foreign currency revaluations, inventory closing, yes, human, without human being you can do it, but these things it is your responsibility. Suppose purchase order product receipt is updated, invoice received from the vendor, but I have neglected. That cannot be done. If it is a sales order invoice, packing slip is executed. Invoices, if you want to do automatic, yes, batch job is available. But if it is a payable entries, now this payable entries, rent amount, this is accountant's responsibility. If accountant is not executing this rent amount, definitely it is a wrong direction, wrong balance. Agree with me? But if this periodic jobs, yes, it is available. You can execute through batch job. Every month end batch job, you can schedule a batch, automatically it will execute. You need not to do it because it is a periodic job. Whereas this one, these are manual intervention is required. Make sense? I'm sorry. Harpreet, is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, fine. Any more questions here in this process? Of course,
Satya, as you explained the business use case in the text file and the other side for the AP, can you business use case for CNB also? Can you explain? Just in the text file, that should probably will get an idea. That's all.
This one.
First, cash and bank. How is the difference going to be posted, and what?
Cash and bank
Like
means.
you explained that.
So you are clear about these three, am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So for cash and bank, suppose you have received amount. To be frank, I have not implemented a use case for this, to be frankly, cash and bank, because it was recently introduced in 10.0.8 or 7 or 8. It is there. How to do it, I know, but what is the exact use case, I am also not very much familiar, because I did not get implementation, but I'm giving clarifications how to do it. Same like AR and AP, same like AR and AP, but use case I don't have really.
Okay.
Means suppose same, but the process is same, like a subledger. Like if you suppose if you have received any bank amount from any customer, like any vendor kind of thing in advance, that is updated in the system. No, it is, even though it is AR and AP only. Maybe in project accounting it may be replicable. It may be applicable from the project accounting, but I don't have use case, to be frankly. Yeah, but how to do it means the same process. Let me show you at least how to do it. This is recently introduced, as I told you. This is recently introduced. Earlier it is available for only for Russian localization, but in D365 10.0.6 or 7 or 8, exact date I don't know, this was introduced. See. Maybe we have posted euro. No, I cannot give you the exact perfect. I'm not able to show you. But
is it when we keep some sort of an FD with the bank or like deposits and there is an interest being received?
But even that also will enter in the local currency, am I right? Usually.
No, if I have kept, because I have got a difference in my reporting currency and my bank currency. My reporting currency is like USD, but I have kept the FD because I had an Euro bank in pounds, or probably euros, sorry. So in this case,
no, because so in general, FD will not be considered in the other currencies. No, I don't think so. It is a real use case. It is a real use case. I don't think so. The reason behind, any bank, they will keep in their accounting wherever whatever the currency you are using, that only it will be. But here, see, this may be relevant or not, I don't know. But here, so we are doing in GBP, am I right? But the bank is USD. Sorry, bank is euro. Bank currency is euro. Am I right?
Yes.
So now it is coming like this. If you run this one, we have selected Euro Bank. We have selected Euro Bank. Now, if I click OK, we did transaction in GBP. So now it is coming the exchange rates gain or loss. GBP versus euros.
Okay, GBP versus Euro, because there we all did was a posting between USD and then the Euro. Never we
Yes.
saw the GBP and the Euro.
Yes.
No, GBP and the USD only posted.
We have posted GBP versus USD,
Euro.
but you have
Yes.
selected Euro Bank. Euro Bank. So in this case, it is.
Okay, this is a real use case. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So anything else, anyone?
Satya, what are the entries that will come during exchange rate gain or loss?
One is, see, if it is a AP side, it will come vendor versus gain or loss, unrealized or realized. If it is here, customer versus gain or loss. If it is cash and bank, same concept. Bank versus gain or loss. If it is a GL, it is ledger. Is this your expectation or something else?
Yeah, only these are the entries that will come during foreign currency revaluation.
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Yeah, what is that in the ledger form that foreign currency revaluation is there?
1 second, let me show you. So gain or loss will be accounts will be mapped in the ledger form. And vendor is, you know, the vendor already, for which vendor or which customer or which bank or which ledger account, you know that one. But gain or losses, as long as payment is not done, counter entry is not posted, then it will be posted to unrealized gain or loss, general ledger setup, ledger. So these are the accounts. Initially, unrealized gain or loss will be posted. Once payment is done, then it is gain or loss, realized gain or loss. These are the accounts.
So foreign currency revaluation is applied for only during the this import and export. Is that correct?
Yes. If it is any exports or imports, then only it will be applicable. Otherwise, it will not be. If the entire thing, if you are using only in India and we don't have any other than currency, you need not to enter exchange rates as well. Not required at all. The entire thing is in India only. There is no impact on this foreign currency revaluation. Okay.
Okay, Satya.
Fine. Anything else, anyone, please? So Manohar, you have pinged me something. I did not get you. So if you click on link, automatically it will be joined. You can join.
I tried to join, but it telling it is expired.
This link.
Yeah, this one okay, but yesterday's link I was trying to click. It's telling expired.
No, I think it maybe you have clicked on like the demo technical demo it was given.
Yesterday you sent me, right, that link.
That
Yesterday,
both I have forwarded the same link actually. See,
oh,
456977429. I have just copy pasted.
that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Not
So I
that.
have
Yesterday, yesterday link it was 510281149. That's what I was trying.
actually that is this institute people, they are entering like, say if you look at that one, it is a demo.
Okay.
It is a demo for purpose they have created.
Okay, okay.
So it was mentioned in the detail like it is a technical demo by Rama Mohan. Am I right?
Okay, okay. Okay. So tomorrow, can I enter with this one directly? Hello? Hello, Satya. Hello?
Yes, Manohar, to answer that, yes, because we are using the same link to enter every day.
Yes, yes. Because even yesterday also I was trying, it was checking that expired. That's why I asked him today.
That is because the ID was different. Now, using that latest ID, what he sent today, we are also going through that same ID, and it'll work fine.
Fine. Thank you. Session over, right?
Yeah, it is showing that the organizer needs to enter.